Ever wonder how some people walk into the room and instantly command love, respect, admiration, or even higher pay? And how others, no matter how good looking or talented, just don't seem to get the same treatment? The secret isn't in luck, it's in perceived value. Hi, I'm Meghna. I'm a psychologist, and today I'm going to show you how to raise yours in every aspect of life: work, dating, and even friendships. Imagine walking into a store and seeing a pair of jeans for $40. You think, okay, decent quality. But then you look closer and realize it is $400. And suddenly your brain starts noticing the luxury details: stitching, the craftsmanship, same pair of jeans, but the price changed your perception of it. The same thing happens with people. How you present yourself, whether in relationships, social situations, or business, directly affects how people value you. Here's a simple but powerful rule: the first person to set a value on something establishes its worth. Think about it. If you're a photographer and someone asks you how much you charge, you could say, I charge $100 a day. Or you could say, I actually charge $3,000 a day, but I could do it for you for $500. Guess what? Now you're a $3,000 photographer giving them a great deal, not just a $100 freelancer. Here's another secret: people want what's rare. Diamonds, valuable; gold, expensive; air and water, we need them to survive, but they're free until you're stranded in a desert. The same applies to you. If you're always available, you lower your perceived worth. If you're dating someone and you're too eager, always available, and giving up everything up front, guess what? Your value drops. But if you pace things out, if your time and attention feel earned, suddenly you become valuable. So, how can you use this in real life? At work, don't be the person hanging around the water cooler. Be the one who's strategic about their time, and people will respect your value. In dating, don't overgive right away. Make your time, energy, and attention something people earn. In negotiations, always start high. The first number you set anchors your worth. Remember, your value is what you make it. Set it high, make yourself rare, and watch how the world treats you like pure gold. Found this useful? Share it with a friend who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more such tips. And I'll see you in the next video.